How to fix camera not working on Google Meet. So the issue might arise because you are not running the latest version of the app. In order to check it out, head over to your App Store. In the source bar, search for Google Meet. Head over to this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you are having the issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update your app. Most of the time, updating the app has fixed the issue. So once you have the latest version of the app, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device and then head over to General. Inside General, move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Google Meet. Once you find it, move into it. Tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing. Now the next thing you want to make sure that the permission off camera is enabled. If the permission off camera isn't allowed, then it might be the reason that you're having the issue. So make sure that the permission is turned on. Once done, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix camera not working on Google Meet. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.